Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how you can actually go and change opacity in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Wondershare Filmora application from their official website. After that, you need to go and log into your profile, but that is not necessary at the moment. Now guys, what you need to do is go and see what actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner we have the file, edit, tools, view, export, and the help option. And we also have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and the split screen option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change opacity in Filmora. So firstly, what you need to do is go and add a video inside. So you can do it by dragging and dropping a video inside. Now what you need to do is of course drag and drop the video on your video timeline. Click on it, drag it, drop it, and you have your video on your timeline, which you can then go and of course change easily. Now, what you need to do is double click on your video. When you click the double click, here you will have a lot of options about your video, but you have to go and click on the opacity option, and then you can go and change the opacity of your video. So it is pretty simple. You can do it in just a few seconds. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.